3-point test grass. 3-point test grass means that on the chromosome, three genes are present. Three genes are present called three-factor test grass. Three-factor test grass or 3-point test grass. Here it is, the 3-point test grass explained with Gia maize plant. Explained with Gia maize plants. Here it is the two parental plants. One parental plant containing capital C, small s, capital W. Capital C, small s, capital W. Another parental plant containing small c, capital S, small w. Small c, capital S, small w. Here it is the characters of these genes. Capital C character, color endosperm. Capital S character, full endosperm. Capital W character, that endosperm is starch. And small c character, colorless seeds. Small s character, shrunken endosperm. Small w character, that endosperm belongs to waxy type. These are the genes character of phenotypes. From one parental plant, capital C, small s, capital W gamete is developed. From another parental plant, small c, capital S, small w gametes are developed. These two gametes are fertilized to form F1 generation. The F1 generation contains capital C, capital S, capital W dominant genes. So these are expressed new phenotype character. What is the new phenotype? Here it is capital C, colored endosperm. Capital S, full endosperm. Capital W, that endosperm belongs to starch. The F1 generation containing new phenotypic characters. The new phenotype characters cannot present in the parental generations. Here it is the F1 generation plant crossed with complete recessive homozygotic parental plant called test grass. The test grass plant also containing three genes on the locus of the chromosome. Here it is during the test grass from F1 generation, total 8 types of gametes are developed. Total 8 types. Here it is, be concentrate on this crossing from the F1 generation. F1 generation plant produced 8 types of gametes. From these 8 types of gametes, 2 gametes are similar to the parental gametes. What are the parental characters? What are the parental gametes? Here it is capital C, small s, capital W. Here it is capital C, small s, capital W. Another parental gamete is small c, capital S, small w. Small c, capital S, small w. But remaining 6 gametes are developed by the crossing over. That crossing overs are 3 types. One is single crossing over between capital C, small s gene. Another also single crossover between small s, capital W gene. Another one is double crossover, that crossovers between capital C, capital W genes. Here it is, first we discussed about the crossing overs occurs between capital C, capital W genes. Capital C, small w, capital C, small s. Crossing overs occurs between capital C, small s gene. Means capital C, small s gene. Between these crossing overs we'll discuss. Here it is capital C, small s, capital W. When the chiasma is formed between capital C, small s, chiasma is formed. So these crossovers are called capital C, small s between crossovers. Capital C, small s between crossovers. They developed new gametes. What are the new gametes? Capital C, capital S, small w. Here it is capital C, capital S, small w. Another gamete is small c, small s, small w. Small c, small s, capital W, not small w, capital W. Here it is another crossing over between small s, capital W. Small s, capital W. Small s, capital W produced new types of gametes. Capital C, small s, small w. It is capital C, small s, small w. Another one is small c, capital S, capital W. Small c, capital S, capital W. These are developed between small s capital W gene. So these are crossed single crossovers between small s capital W genes. And the next one is double crossover, mean two chiasmas are formed. The two chiasmas are formed. One chiasma formed between capital C small s gene. Another chiasma is formed between small s capital W genes. So finally two chiasmas are formed. So these chiasmas, how many chiasmas here? It is two chiasmas. So we call double crossovers. Double crossover between capital C capital W gene or small capital C small s capital W. They produce new gametes. Here it is. What are the new gametes? Capital C, capital S, capital W. It is one gamete. Capital C, capital S, capital W gamete. Another one is homozygotic recessive character. Small c, small s, small w. Finally, six crossover gametes are developed. Two parental gametes are developed. Yet these 8 gametes are crossed with test cross gamete. The test cross gamete is small c, small s, small w to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, total 8 phenotypes are formed. From that 8 phenotypes, 2 phenotypes are developed in the large number. They are called parental phenotypes. They are called parental phenotypes. The parental phenotypes, one parental phenotype is 2538 plants. Another parental phenotype is 2708 plants. Total parental plants are developed 5246 plants in F2 generation. Finally, in F2 generation, observed plants are 6708 plants. From these 6708 plants, 5246 plants are parental phenotypes and 229 plants are crossed between or developed between capital C small s phenotypes, crossing over phenotypes, and 1227 plants developed between small s capital W phenotypes, and only six phenotypes developed between capital C capital W phenotypes. Here it is. These are the total phenotypes in F2 generation. We can easily find out the units of crossing over values. Units of crossing over values. First, we discussed about the linkage percentage. How much linkage percentage present between the genes? The linkage percentage is equal to parental phenotypes by total phenotypes into 100. What are the parental phenotypes? Here it is 5246 parental phenotypes. One is one type, another is another parental type. Total two parental phenotypes are developed in large number. They are 5246 out of 6708 plants. So here it is, we take the parental phenotypes total number 5246 by 6708 into 100. The value is 78.20. 78.20. What is the 78.20? Here it is linkage percentage value. The linkage percentage value is below 100. Linkage percentage value is below 100. They can produce new crossovers. What are the new crossover? Crossing over percentage is equal to 100 minus linkage percentage. 100 is the exact linkage percentage minus current linkage percentage. Current linkage percentage is 78.20. Here it is 21.8. 21 point units are present. The 21 point units distance present between capital C, capital W genes. Here it is. First, we discussed about the distance between capital C small s gene. Capital C small s gene. Capital C small s phenotypes by total phenotypes into 100. Here it is capital C small s phenotypes 229. Capital C small s phenotypes 229 plus 6. We take plus 6 values also because maybe these 6 phenotypes are developed between capital C small s gene. Not exact value. Here it is, we take only approximately values only. The 6 is also taken with 229. 229. Here it is the distance between capital C small s. The value is x. We estimate the value is x. 229 plus 6 by total phenotypes, 6708 into 100. The value is 3.5 units. The 3.5 units is capital C small s genes are present between the distance of 3.5 units. And the next one is distance between small s capital W gene. Distance between small s capital W gene. What are the smallest capital W phenotypes? Here it is 1227 plus 6. This 6 value is we taken also because smallest between smallest capital W also developed these 6. We just taken these exact values from this smallest capital W. Here it is smallest capital W gene value is capital Y. The smallest capital W phenotypes are 1227 plus 6. Total phenotypes are 6007 708 into 100. The value is 18.4 units. 18.4 units. Finally, we estimate the distance between capital C, capital W gene. Capital C, capital W genes means capital C phenotypes. Capital C smallest phenotypes are taken, and smallest capital W phenotypes also taken, means 229 plus 1227. 229 plus 1227 by 6708 into 100. The value is 21.7 units. Here it is. These are the capital C smallest value is X, capital X. Smallest capital W value is capital Y. Small capital C capital W value is Z. Based on this principle, we can estimate, we can arrange the genes position also. Capital Z is equal to X plus Y. Capital Z is equal to X plus Y. Here it is capital Z is equal to capital C. Small s is equal to capital X. And capital Y is equal to capital W. These are the arrangement of genes. Here it is. Z is equal to X plus Y. If Z is equal to X plus Y, the genes are arranged in A, B, C. A, B, C means C, S, W. Capital C, small s, capital W. Capital C, small s, capital W. Z is equal to X minus Y. A, C, D. The genes are arranged in the C, W, S position. C is the capital C, W is the capital W, S is the small s. If the Z is equal to Y minus X, the genes are arranged in BAC. BAC means B gene is S, A gene is C, C gene is the W. So finally we can, what is the value is it? Z is equal to X plus Y only. Z is equal to X plus Y. Z is equal to X plus. What is the Z value is? 21.7. 21.7 is equal to X plus Y. What is X value is 3.5 units plus 18.54 units. So finally the 21.7 is equal to 21.9. Finally we arranged the value. Here it is on this chromosome. The chromosomal map, we take chromosome with 3 locus of these genes. One locus occupied by capital C gene, one locus occupied by the small s gene, one locus occupied by the capital W gene. Here it is capital C small s units are 3.5 units. Here it is we can estimate the 3.5 units means the capital C small s genes are closely arranged. Capital C smallest genes are closely arranged. They maintain 3.5 units distance only. And between smallest capital W genes, smallest capital W genes units are 18.4 units. So 18.4 units are present. So they are developed new recombinants. Total recombinants here it is number of 1227 means increased recombinants are developed between smallest capital W genes because these are maintain large distance with 18.4 units. Finally, between capital C, capital W gene units are 21.7 units, 21.9 units, 21.9 units. Here we can identify children the values here small change because we take the value of 6. The value is given more number. The value is given more number. The exact value is 21.8 number. 21.8 number is given. Here it is the capital C, capital W genes 21.7. Here it is the exact value is 21.8. Then X plus Y value is 21.9. Finally, we take average value from this 21.8. 21 point units distance are present between capital C, capital W genes. These are called 3-point test crash or 3-factor test crash.